Today we're working on an automotive CD player. Now sometimes these players just don't work right. And it could be a simple thing like the lens inside the player is dirty. So today I'm going to show you one way you can clean that. Here are the materials we're going to be using for our cleaning disc. We got a blank CD, we got some scissors, small screwdriver, some super glue, toothpick, a scale, and we have some microfiber cloth that is made for cleaning sunglasses. Here are the two strips that I cut out. They're 1/4 of an inch wide. And we're putting them on the shiny side of the disc like this. Now, what we got to do is we got to fold them. We only want to glue half the width. It's a little difficult. It's probably best if you take the glue and put it on a little toothpick, because we only want a small amount. You can spread it a lot thinner with the toothpick. We don't want it any wider than 1/8 of an inch. Now, we gotta get the folded cloth on there. Doesn't want to stay folded, does it? Okay. Alright, we got a loose side there. We don't want any glue on it. I wipe my screwdriver down. This is right where the lens is in the CD player, so got to be very clean. There's nothing on this screwdriver, so I kept wiping it down. We just want the glue on the disc. All right. That looks really good. Now we're going to put another one right here on the other side of the disc. Here is the disc with both pads glued on. And you can see that the pad sticks up about 1/8 of an inch above the surface of the disc. And that's enough to brush by the lens in the player. So now it's just a matter of letting the glue dry before we can use the disc. Here is the cleaning disc that we made earlier. It's all ready to go. Now if you have one of these CD changers, I don't think I would try this on that. And if you're afraid that it's going to get stuck in your player, stop now. I don't want to be responsible for the disc getting stuck in your player. But I've used this before with no problem. So we're going to insert the disc into the player as we normally would. And it's going to try to read it. Yeah, it's reading it. And we get an error message, error 15. So we're going to eject it. And so we're going to do that 6 times. And that should clean the lens. Okay guys, thanks for watching.